Okay, so the entity is saved. Let's give it another check. You have name, category, product type, description, selling unit price, which is type of currency. You have product, which is a lookup, relationship between two entities, and status, which is a pick list. The next step is we are going to import the Excel spreadsheet, which shows the various flooring options. You say import data, search for the file. I've already saved it as flooring CDS1. I say open. And in this, it's basically trying to see if I can match the fields in the spreadsheet to the fields that I created in the entity. And if there is a problem, it will show you that there is an error or there is a problem. There's a partial mapping in this case, so let's show the mapping. Well, the name fields match. The only one that it didn't pick automatically was the product ID, which is fair. We are just going to call it, this is the one that we created. This is the relationship that we created between two entities. The rest, everything looks great. Save the changes. It's a perfect match. Show the mapping again. Looks perfect. Save changes. Import the file. Just give it a second for it to import. Import is successful. So let's go back. Take a look at the custom entity. Well, there you go. It's all set. Now, before we go and create the app, I told you about the product ID field. If you remember, in that spreadsheet, it was not filled out. So we're going to use the lookup function to kind of pull data into this field. And I'll show you exactly how. So the data that we just imported is available in Excel. So now you can say open in Excel. So it will open the data that we just imported. There you go. Enable editing. On the right-hand side, you'll see this is the new Excel add-in, which basically is using my work account to sign in and pulling the metadata for all the data inside the entity. Let's give it a second to retrieve the metadata. There you go. Totally matches with the spreadsheet that we created. Let's go take a look at the product ID field. Okay, as expected, it's empty. So now I just want to show you something. If you just highlight this field, it is now pulling the data that is inside the product ID field, the product inside the entity, the product entity. Let's expand this. There you go. So here you can just kind of fill this column by looking up the values. Next one. Not the most fun part, but I'm just showing you how powerful it is to look up data that you can use while building your applications. So I'm just going to go fill this out. There you go. So I've used the lookup function to basically fill out this particular field. Now always remember, when you pull the data from an Excel and you edit the field in the spreadsheet, in order to save the changes, you have to publish the spreadsheet, publish the changes so that it records all the changes. So hit publish. It is working to 16 entries and it's successfully published. So you close this out, save, fine, back. If you want, you can quickly go back to your custom entity that we just created, look at the data. Let's take a look at what it says. Sure enough, all our data is in there. Description is there, selling unit price is there. We don't use the system. You can use the system generated fields, it's totally up to you. We are not going to use it in this exercise. Product. Now it has all the fields filled out. Status. This is something that we use as a pick list. It's set to the values that match the spreadsheet. So there you go. So it's all set. All you have to do is create a new application.